Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Powering this van is a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission that can still get you only 9 to 14 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have some cargo space with the option to fold down the back and middle row seats for lots of cargo space. You also have additional storage in the side. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express up and down on the front two windows. Your headlight controls are on the dash. The steering wheel has your hands-free audio and cruise control. This vehicle is currently sitting at 157,454 kilometers. You have your stereo at the top of the dash, your dual zone climate controls, as well as your economy mode. Down here you can pull out your drink trays. This van is also equipped with premium cloth black seats, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. For the back of the van, you have two rear sliding doors. The middle row of seats has two seats with flip down armrests. You also have your digital display and rear climate controls. You can access the power for your digital display down here. And this van also has a third row of 3 seats with storage and cup holders on each side. If you would like to see this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.